Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a leisure activity near or on the sea that you want to try. Near the sea or in the sea, whatever, right? What it is, what you need to prepare, how easy or difficult it is, and explain why you want to try it. So it's basically you want to try, that is going to be in the future tense, present and future. So you can now speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I have been on the seashore many times and done many activities, but never tried and part in the leisure activities. So if it gives chance, I want to do a sun bath on the beach. So I don't think so. There is a special need to special preparation. So, but there is important preparation need to take a leave from my work and ask a friend to accompany and to buy some stuff like a sunglasses and the sun cream and decide music which I listen while to laying on the beautiful and golden sand over there. So I found it quite easy because it's a leisure activity.
Okay, that's fine. See that you want to go to the beach only for sun bath, huh? And with suntan lotion and all that. First swim and then you do the sun bath, huh? You just want to lay down on the beach and enjoy. Okay, try to focus your fluency, number one. And number two, your eyes were always down. Like you are looking down. You should look at the examiner also. Examiners are not very horrible. And it's not that you will turn into a stone if you look at the examiner. Say, examiner ko dekha to tum patthar ke ban jaoge. Not like that. Okay? Try to speak confidently, focus your topic, and there should not be pauses. You should speak very fluently and your eyes should come up as well, right? Look at the examiner as you are talking. You can take a look at your notes, then again look at the examiner, look at your notes, look at the examiner. When you are explaining, you should be looking at the examiner. Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. What are the advantages and disadvantages of vacation on the seaside?
Vacation on the seaside offers many benefits. Like people go there for the relaxation and do part of water sports, and on the other hand people get heat stroke or there's some accidents to drowning in the water while swimming.
Okay, you just have to speak fluently, keep the ball rolling, right? Why do children like the sea better than adults or more than adults?
I don't think so. The children like sea better than
Adults.
because the adults also like sea and do many activities like playing volleyball, and the children also enjoyed and playing around the water.
Alright, so they just enjoy playing volleyball only. Right, what types of job positions can be found on or near the sea?
There's a lot of jobs near the sea, like a fisherman or safeguard to save the people.
Okay, very good. Now you can explain fisherman, then you can express safeguard, right? Then you can talk about other thing like that.
And a lot of restaurants near the sea resort, so people do jobs over there.
Yeah, you can sell popcorns as well. You can sell cold water as well. Yeah, people become thirsty, they need cold water. So you can sell them some water bottles, you can sell them some popcorns. Okay, yeah, roasted corn, challi and all that. So listen, you just need to express yourself. You're not quite expressive. At this point in part 3, your answers are very short and most of the time you're looking down and you are a bit scared what will happen. Just come out of this fear, come out of this egg, come out of this shell and try to speak more and more, because once you start speaking more and more, then I'll be able to correct you even further. So focus your fluency and you can practice all these things with your mobile. First prepare a topic, then start the recording on your mobile and speak, and then listen to your own voice and say, now I'm better. Then do another one. That will help you a lot. Okay, the way you spoke, I'm sorry, but I'll give you only 5 band for now. And if you underperform, it can be 4.5 also. And if you perform well, it can be 5.5 and 6 as well, right? So don't be afraid, be confident and answer every question. Thank you.